All right, here we have the 86-day Pilsner from Thomas Cooper's. Let me go through the description here. It says subtle malty sweetness, elegant refined herbal notes, refreshingly bitter finish with rich frothy head. So this is a Pilsner, so expect it to be a little longer. Pilsners are generally, they are lagers, so I always recommend to put that in a cooler fermentation, so a slower fermentation. And then you can also add, if you like this kind of beer, another option would be like we have a Cooper's lager as well as a European lager. Those are a couple other options you could try if you like lagers. This here is actually one of my favorite beers. It does take a little longer, but if you like a lighter beer, you can add the dextrose. Another option is adding the light dry malt extract, and they turn out really, really good. Expect it to be done in about 6 weeks, so 86 days, I guess you could say. And it comes with yeast on the top, and then instructions on the side by just peeling it off. Makes 2 2/4 and a half.